Hello, friends. I hope you're having a decent day. I'm having as decent a day as one can. Had a good day at the gym today, I'm happy to say. Workout routine continues to go well, making new PRs. Very exciting. And I saw this pop up on my feed in sort of fast food legal analysis world. Man tries to drown an officer in a horrifying moment on a boat. So I was like, you know what? In honor of the sovereign citizens who ask, is this a maritime court? Maybe it is. Maybe it is a maritime court. We're going to watch this and see how the stupid goes. Okay, let's go ahead and do this, stupid. Yeah, good times.
We got one in the water.
On the 4th of July, 2023, officers from the Florida Fish and Wildlife Conservation Commission were waved down by individuals on a beach. They reported a male suspect who struck his girlfriend, pepper sprayed 3 other people, and then left on his boat. When officers approached the suspect, he jumps into the water.
Hey, buddy! Hey, just come to the boat, man!
Well, I mean, that's one way to try to evade the police, I guess. Trying to swim from them. I don't imagine that's necessarily going to work out great for you, but you know. Okay, fine.
We'll get it figured out. Just come here. Quit being stupid, man. Come on. Once you grab a piece of his clothes, rip them up. Hey, Sean, get over here. Once you grab a piece of his clothes, do not let go.
This is great.
Hey, come on, come on. Hey, dude, it ain't worth it, brother. Come on. Yeah, he bailed from the boat. Black shirt. He's swimming between us and Pasco. Hey, get that. Make sure he can't run that boat if he gets back on it. Hey, come on, man. Come on. Come to the fish cops. We're the nice ones, man. We're the nice ones. Come here. We're the good ones, man. Come on. Let's go. Hey, come on. Come to my boat. Come to me. Come to me. Come to me.
This may be new stupid. I mean, trying to flee from the police is already pretty stupid, but trying to do it in the open ocean is with paddling is a particular brand of stupid that wow. Other suspects have hope, man. Holy shit.
Keep working it back and forth till we. Come on, man. Listen.
I didn't do anything. What the fuck?
Dude, come on, man. Let's figure it out, dude. Come on.
Come get in the boat. You don't know the
All right. Come on, dude. Let's figure it out.
So figure it out what?
You're in the water in the middle of the Gulf, brother. It's not safe for you to be out here.
Really, no.
Figure out.
We just need to figure out who you are, man. You're out here swimming by yourself in the middle of the Gulf. We want to hear your side, man. We got one side of it. We got your side.
So tell me.
There's something going on happening on the island, man. They're saying you did it. Come on, man. Listen.
I'm not stupid, dude.
You're going to catch more charges.
I don't know. You're kind of stupid. There's not a lot of ways that this ends for you, man. I feel like you're a little stupid. Yeah.
If you're going to be stupid.
What's going on? I can
We need
explain
to.
my side.
Then come on, dude. Then get on a boat, brother. It's not safe for you to be in the water, man. We're if you all kind of just, we can drift into each other.
What are you here for?
For your safety, man. You're out here in the middle of nowhere.
What's my safety? What?
I told you we heard something went on at the island.
Like what?
Like a fight or something, man. Is that true?
No.
What?
Punch me in the face.
Then you're a victim of.
So why are you here arresting me then?
Because you're a victim of a crime out in the middle of the ocean, man. Why are you doing this, man? We got a bunch of other.
Why are you arresting me? Well, I suppose we're arresting you in so much as we're detaining you from not flailing around in the water in the open ocean, because that sounds like a bad plan for everybody. So, yes, we might be detaining you for the purpose of, getting you to dry land. Sue us.
Things to be
Tell
doing.
me why.
We got a bunch of other things to be doing.
Tell me why.
Have I not explained to you what happened?
Tell me why.
What's your name? Let me tell you my name. My name's Kevin.
What's the problem? Why are you here?
Because you've been hit in the face. You just told me you were hit in the face,
that's
man.
not why you're here.
That is your side. I have their side.
That guy.
I know. And we're sending boats over there, too. Don't worry about that.
No, you're not.
Absolutely. Did you not see where I just came from? We're getting a story. We got to get his story. We got to get your story.
Is what you said.
Correct.
His story.
And I don't have yours. So get on the boat, man. Let's figure it out.
His story is what you just said.
Get on the boat and let's figure it out. I don't have your story.
This is so stupid.
No.
You just jumped off a boat, man. We're trying to help you out at this point.
While the 2 boats drift together,
This guy's
officers take
beyond
their
help.
chance at grabbing the suspect.
This guy's beyond help.
If you can grab him, grab him.
Get down.
Swindler, man, come on.
It's too hot.
Come on. Hey,
please.
We can't.
That's a new one. I love that. That is the best line I've ever heard in my life. Can I have a supervisor when I'm swimming around in the open ocean? That is just chef's kiss, man. That is just the greatest line I've ever heard in my life. Can I have a supervisor? Well, you can always talk to Poseidon, I guess. But other than that, no. Lol, this is so stupid.
Have you swimming?
Yeah, super.
Right here.
Yeah. Tell him to stand down.
Just relax, man.
Tell him to stand down.
We don't want you running into our boat, man.
Tell him to stand down.
No, man, he's here for our safety and your safety.
Supervisor, right?
Yeah, man.
You're lying.
You see that bar on his? He's got a bar on his top shoulder, and so does he.
This is so retarded.
Same logo.
All right, so now he's pulled the officer into the water. That's great. That's really just bringing everything down to a nice low level. Now we've dragged the other officer into the water. That's great. This is going to end really well for everybody.
We got one in the water.
Sean!
Where is he?
Sean!
He's over here.
Come here, motherfucker. You want to fuck with my guy? You hear me, motherfucker? You want to fuck with him?
I got
You want to fuck with my guy, motherfucker? Oh, Jesus. Fucking hard, man. You hear me? Let me get this thing off. It's gonna come. You want get your head on the ground.
Tell me what happened. Let me tell you what happened.
Tase him.
He punched me in my face, bro.
I need somebody to tase him.
That we are past that issue. You're still trying to adjudicate what happened on the land from earlier. Yeah, we've moved past that issue. I didn't even understand what he said at first when he said he punched me in the face. It actually took me a second to try to figure out what he was saying. It's like, oh, he's still talking about what happened on the land. Like whenever that happened. Oh yeah, we have since moved on to other issues. Yeah, no one cares anymore. Moving on.
This guy.
Sean, give us your arm! Give us your arm! Lay down! Give us your arm! Lay down! I don't have no
Get the fuck on the ground.
Lay down!
Back up. Back up. Taser. Turn around, bro.
Taser dead!
Turn around, bro. Hands behind.
Well, if the taser was on the officer when he went into the ocean, yeah, the taser's probably not doing great right now. Yeah.
On your back. Oh, look. Hand behind your back. Hand behind your back. Hands behind your fucking back. You want the ass whooping of your fucking life? Put your hands behind your back. You hear me?
Can I tell you what happened?
Yeah, brother.
Can you believe me, bro?
Yes, man. Relax.
Can I tell you right now?
Yeah. Calm down.
Please?
Just calm down. I don't want you in my face,
bro.
man.
I don't have no problems with you, bro.
Bro, just
You might have a problem. You might, yeah. Yeah. The lawyer in me is just shaking my head. It's just like, yeah. Yeah. Yeah.
put your hands behind your back.
I didn't do anything, bro.
I need you to put that away.
Dude, I will not resist, bro. Grab this hand. Hear my side of the story. Grab my hand.
No one cares about your side of the story right now.
I will.
God, dude.
Bro, let me tell you the time.
Get on your stomach!
You just said
Get on your stomach! You just what don't you understand about that? Ow! Get your fucking handcuffs out, Paris. God damn.
I just told you I would tell you.
Give me your arm.
I will. Can you listen for a second?
No one is interested in listening to you right now. I promise you. I'm not even sure they're going to be interested in listening to you later. We've moved on.
Please just let me tell you. Please just let me tell you. Please just let me tell you. Hey, I'm telling you I will.
You're not.
Stop.
I just told you I will.
Loosen up.
Can I tell you what's wrong?
All over. You can as soon as we get your other arm.
Tell you what's wrong, bro. I'm telling you I will. Please don't do this.
You never listen to anybody outside.
We want to listen to you.
No, you
You
won't.
didn't give us a chance to.
You're just fucking paid to arrest, bro. Like.
Well, to be honest, yeah, no, not so much. Yeah, I'm not finding a lot of fault with what the officers are doing at this point. Sounds okay to me. Yeah.
I want to tell you my side. I'm serious, bro. I didn't do anything.
He hit me in my face, bro.
Hey, you just need to calm
Once
down.
again, no one
The
cares.
guy that called you, bro.
Listen,
He hit
everybody.
me on my face.
We're gonna calm down. All right, we need to
Please,
But-
no, you're arresting the wrong person, though.
Put your hands behind your back.
I didn't do
Put
anything.
this hand behind your back, okay?
Hang on.
Hey, I
You
gotta get
left
up.
me no choice, bro.
I gotta get up.
No, I'm trying to get arrested for the wrong thing.
I will pay attention.
Put this hand
Bro,
behind your
I
back.
will recover. Just put it on this hand.
Just
Please.
put the other hand behind your back.
Please, just put it on this hand, bro.
You want to cover to the front?
I'm
We're
serious.
not cuffing this dude to the front.
Dude, I just want to tell you my story. I swear to you, man.
Just relax, man. Just
No,
relax.
I'm relaxing.
Once you get your hands behind your back, I want to sit you in a recovery position.
Please resist me in the front, bro.
All right, calm down.
Please.
Stop tensing up. Just let
I'm
me
not
loose. All right.
resisting, bro.
Thank you.
Just cuff me in the
Thank you.
front.
Thank
Thank you.
Thank you for loosening up.
Thank you. I didn't do anything, bro.
Just relax, relax.
No, man, because you arrest the wrong people. Dude, I'm not resisting, bro. I swear
Hey,
to you.
hey,
You
hey,
are.
what's your name?
I
Hey,
swear
just
to you,
look
I've
this
been in
way.
the system my whole life,
Look
bro.
this way, man.
I'm
Look
not
this way.
resisting.
You've been in the system your whole life, that I believe. This you mean to say this isn't your first rodeo with a police officer? No. Tell me a different story.
You would know if I'm resisting, bro.
If you're not resisting, then put your hands where they're asking you to. If you're not resisting, then you'll do what he asks.
Hey,
I'm not gonna resist, bro.
Okay.
Please stop doing that. Please stop doing that. You're gonna break my arm, bro.
Well, let him stop tensing.
They might break your arm, but it's only because you're resisting so hard. See, I don't know why I have to keep explaining this to people, but apparently I do. It's like we have to do this. We can do this the easy way or the hard way, man. And they are going to accomplish their objective. And if you fight them hard enough, yeah, you might break your arm because they are going to force you. And so your arm could potentially break if you just that is a potential foreseeable outcome of this. Yes.
So we can get your hand behind
I asked you. I told you I'm not gonna resist if you cuff in the front, bro. Just cuff it in the front.
All right.
The officers are not about that cuff in the front life, and I don't blame them, to be honest. Yeah, they're like, yeah, we don't really want to do that. We're more about the cuff in the back, people. I feel you.
All right, you want me to tase
Cuff it in
him?
the front.
no, we
That's what I'm saying,
hurry up.
bro. Like, you don't understand.
Don't be kicking it, man.
I'm not. Just cuff it in the front. I'm telling you the truth, bro.
Hey.
I swear to God, bro. If you believe in God.
Yeah, man.
Do you believe in God, bro?
Yeah.
I'm telling you the
You want
truth,
to say a
bro.
prayer, brother? You want to say a prayer?
No. I
Say a
want
prayer.
you to know what's the truth.
We need calmness.
Not what you're paid for,
Pray
bro.
for calmness, my man.
Not what you're paid
Pray
for.
for calmness. Just pray for calmness.
Stop. That hurts,
It doesn't
man.
hurt, man. It doesn't hurt.
That fucking hurts, bro.
You kick him, I'm gonna drive stun you. Do you want to hear it?
Quit the stop with
Dude,
your arm. dude.
I will. Just cuff me in the front, bro. I swear.
Hey, listen. Hey,
Swear to you, man.
listen for a comment, okay? We're at the point, okay, where we can't get your arms behind your back, okay?
I don't want it behind my
You
back.
are gonna
That's
have
some-
your hands behind your
That it's like I don't want my hands behind my back. Well, the officer's like, well, that's unfortunate. That's unfortunate for you. It's like, again, we can do this the easy way or the hard way, man. What's your pleasure? Our friend here wants to choose the hard way, I guess.
back, okay?
Why?
So you either do it voluntarily or you're gonna get tased.
You're not gonna listen
Fair.
to me if I put my hands behind my back, bro.
Absolutely will.
Dude, we don't want this. Hey,
I do not
we
want
don't
to
want
see
this.
you.
We don't want
Why are
this.
you here, though?
We don't want this, man.
Can you tell me why you're here?
I told you, man.
We're investigating something.
Relax.
Like what? Can you explain it, please?
You already here.
I'm serious. Like if you explain it, I will do everything you want, bro.
Once it's times like this that I want the police to like carry around gags or like some sort of like knockout drug or something. They should have like like they should have a needle full of some sort of drug that can make the person go, become quiet like a trank, something like that. It's like, can we get the officers to get issued like a gag of some kind? That would be really good. Because it's like, at this point, I'm no longer interested in your right to be silent. At this point, I'm interested in forcing you to be silent, because I cannot be bothered to hear anything you have to say, or mumbles there too. We need to get officers some additional equipment, man, or something. I don't know, man.
Oh God! I tried. You're laughing like.
Hey man, let's calm down. Everybody, let's just calm down.
You're gonna do it.
Hey, you gotta have your hands behind your back so we can get you in.
Do it whether I want to or not.
Right, man. Let's just get it behind your back.
Just tell me what I did wrong. Tell me what I did wrong, please, sir.
Just relax.
I am. Can you tell me what I did wrong? You're not saying nothing.
Yeah, dude, I'm worried about you, man.
No, you're not. But you're not saying nothing.
You're in a bad spot. We're all in a bad spot.
Can you please? Ow! Ow! Please, can I tell you something?
Get your hand off me.
Bro, can I tell you something? No. I'm not resisting, bro.
He's hitting me with his hand.
You are very much resisting. I mean, it doesn't take a complex legal analysis. You are incredibly resisting. You are all the resisting. You're the definition of resisting. Yeah, not hard to adjudicate that one, man.
Hand is what he's doing.
I'm not, though.
Yes, you are.
Tell me what I did wrong. Please tell me what I had your word, bro. I had your word.
What word was that?
Lift him up.
You don't believe in God, do you? No, you don't. You don't believe in God.
Somebody help me latch that. Latch that.
Ow, you're breaking my wrist.
Again, possibly.
Yep.
Let me get this cuff. Let me get this cuff right here. Let me get this cuff right here.
Can you do that for me?
Let me get no. Keep it back.
Yeah.
I don't want it. No, the way over.
Okay.
Listen up, everybody. If I unsecure this, it's got to come back here.
Hey,
My arm's not hurting.
we're gonna take off that top.
Yeah. Why'd you hit me in the face, man?
I hit you in the face, bro.
With your elbow, man. Why were you doing that?
No, I didn't, bro.
Yeah, why were you doing that?
I'm trying to tell you the truth is all I was trying to do, bro. Oh, USA is free, bro.
Let me hold it.
Okay.
The USA isn't free, bro? Really? Is that where we're at? The USA isn't free, bro? Seriously? Wow. Just wow.
Like, why didn't we do the problem? You asked me the problem.
All right, once we get a chance, we got to sit him up. That.
Not, though. He's not doing it right now, though.
All right, I need a life jacket on him before we roll. Yeah,
Fair.
You're fine.
Please sit me up. Please sit me up. Please sit me up. I'll do whatever you want, bro. It's what you want.
Make sure my 7140. We're 51 back to Nick's Park. We got 11015 being very difficult, non-compliant.
Very non-compliant.
We're gonna put him up on. We're gonna put him right here. We're putting him right here. He's gonna want to fight.
Yep. All right, y'all ready? You got somebody to use somebody switch? Yeah, I told you I would cooperate, bro.
You all right? All right, go.
When the officer fell into the water, he noted in the incident report that he felt himself being pulled by the suspect head first. Another deputy who was present at the scene observed the suspect kicking off their boat while holding on to the officer, indicating he pulled the officer into the water intentionally. When the officer was in the water, he was completely submerged and felt his personal flotation device inflate, but he didn't resurface immediately like he was supposed to. The deputy on board observed the suspect holding the officer down underneath the water, preventing him from resurfacing and furthermore breathing. The witnesses who pointed officers to the suspect to begin with stated the suspect shoved his girlfriend to the ground multiple times, slammed her head into a tree, and struck her in the face.
Yeah, that
Officers
tracks.
observed visible injuries on the suspect's girlfriend, matching the description of the witnesses' claims. The witnesses also stated that when they attempted to confront the suspect about his actions, he pepper sprayed them, at which point he left in his boat.
Nice.
Officers observed the suspect slurring his words and could smell a strong odor of alcohol emanating from his breath.
No, what are the odds? He had alcohol on him? Oh no, what are the chances? Unbelievable.
Indicating the suspect was intoxicated for this entire ordeal.
Dude, I like this on the previous page. It says, due to safety, we're not able to perform standardized field sobriety tasks. I'm not sure what that is for the water. Can't exactly walk the line, can you? Are there special field sobriety tests for the water? I don't know. Pressing on.
From his breath, indicating the suspect was intoxicated for this entire ordeal. The suspect, James, was charged with operating a vessel while impaired, 2 counts of battery on a law enforcement officer, 2 counts of resisting with violence, and attempted felony murder for...
Yeah, the attempted felony murder will do it. Yeah, that'll do it. No, that's a rough day. Yeah, that'll do it.
For almost drowning an officer, he is innocent unless proven guilty in a court of law.
Hey, why don't we just go to? I'll run up to Little Caesars and get some hot and readies.
So apparently our post water arrest celebration / decompression ritual is Little Caesars pizza. Unclear whether or not the suspect gets any breadsticks or not, or hot and wedding rings. Yeah, this is unclear information.
All right, I'll go.
Now, some people will do anything to avoid capture, and we all know that.
All right, that was super exciting and also very stupid. That was definitely one of the more stupid events that I've seen for a while. Let's see what else we've got in terms of stupid things. Robert jumps off bridge to escape police. That's good. When good cops are saved by unlikely strangers. That sounds promising. Let's see what's going on there.
Cut it out.
Thank you.
Cut it out.
Stop.
So we're gonna see some civilians come to the rescue. I appreciate that. You know, it's nice. It's nice when there's nice when the cops are in trouble and a civilian stops and helps. That's nice. So we'll see some civilians to the rescue.
Thank you. Appreciate you, man.
Right here. You're okay, bro. You're okay. Breathe.
This injured officer was dragged out of a war zone by someone who was supposed to hate the police.
Hold my hand. Hold my hand.
But ended up saving his life. On November 11th, 2023, Texas officers pursuing a stolen vehicle down a highway at high speeds watched as it crashed into multiple vehicles before coming to a stop.
Get down. Do not move. Do not move. Do not move. Do not move.
That car has seen better days. I don't think that's going to buff out, guys. Nor the car behind him. Is that going to buff out? I'm seeing some problems.
See your hands now. Let me see your hands. Dallas, this way, bro, this way.
And just
Nor the car in front of him. Yeah.
then, the 19-year-old carjacker still inside the vehicle suddenly fired at the officer's leg, sending him straight to the ground and completely open to more fire. The sudden gunshot shook everyone on the highway, but as an officer tried to drag his injured partner to safety, a bystander rushed behind to help him.
Officer down. Over here. Right here. You're okay, bro. You're okay. Breathe. Put your gun down. Put your gun down. You're okay. You're gonna be all right. Where you at? Listen, you're gonna be okay. Relax. Hold my hand. Hold my hand. Just look at me. Look at me the whole time. Hold it. Look at me. Here, brother. Look at me.
Bullets from police and the carjacker were flying around, but the man went in anyway and dragged the officer to a safe spot. He risked his life to save him, and that was even more shocking because he had an unlucky history with the law.
I'm gonna have somebody come and help you. I promise you, they're gonna fix you up. It's just your leg. You hear me? Just squeeze my hand as tight as you have it, man. I've been to state jail once. The last time I was locked up, man, they offered me 25 years, man. I had no choice but to get out and change my life. You feel me? Yeah.
Since most convicts hate police, no one would expect an ex-convict out after 25 years in prison to risk his life for an officer. And it worked, as the officer was hospitalized to undergo recovery. The man named John was awarded the Carnegie Medal for heroism for saving the officer's life.
Very respect.
The carjacking suspect was taken down and pronounced deceased at the hospital.
Oh no. Oh no, the carjacker died. Anyway.
John saved the officer with his actions and words. However, the next Good Samaritans not only saved the officers, but stood with them to fight the bad guys.
The bad one is upstairs to the right. I don't know.
On January 8th, 2023, a Reno police officer arrived at an apartment complex after reports of gunshots, only to see two armed men running away.
Sorry, two males. They're running away with several firearms. Real, please stop.
And just then, the suspects opened fire, hitting the officer once in the abdomen and each leg. He fired back, but had no cover and was in serious pain. And things didn't get any better when a fellow officer arrived.
Sarge, you okay?
No.
Coming to you.
Don't move.
I can't. Just hold him. Okay. Hold him. I'm gonna need a tourniquet on my leg if you got one.
Okay, watch behind me. I don't have
Where
one.
is it?
I don't have one. Watch behind me. Watch behind me. Let me know. You got a gun?
I do.
Okay.
Both officers were basically under ambush, as they appeared to be more shooters aside the two men. But just then, some residents came out and offered to help the officers.
Keep pressing. Hey, if you got a belt or a tourniquet, bring it to me. Anybody. Belt or a tourniquet. Something we can make a tourniquet now. Hey, anybody got a belt or a tourniquet? Bring it to me now. Give me a belt, something we can make tight.
You guys stay out from over there. Stay out.
Wait,
go around the building.
Yeah,
go around the building.
Go this way. Go this way. Go this way. Thank you. Hey, come here. Come here. Come here. Come here. I need to wrap it around my partner's leg.
Where? Show me where.
Where, buddy? What do we need? Okay, left leg. Right there. Okay, above the knee. Above the knee, please. Thanks, sir. Hey, ma'am, can you watch this way for me, please? The bad one is upstairs to the right.
Spot?
I don't know.
Where's his
I think a civilian might have took the officer's gun, because that's what it looked like to me. Hold on, let me back up. I saw it because I think. Hold on.
Above the knee, please. Thanks, sir. Hey, ma'am, can you watch this way for me, please? The bad one is up.
Yeah, is that a civilian? I think a civilian. I think a civilian might have commandeered the officer's gun. Hot. That's hardcore, man. Let's go. Awesome.
Upstairs to the right.
Spot?
I don't know.
Where's his tourniquet?
He doesn't have one.
He doesn't have one.
No, over there.
Get ball.
Right there.
Right on the ground. Right here.
Right here. Yeah, I got him. Okay. Hey, can you watch with her that way? Top left. No, top right, farther away.
The homeowners not only helped the injured officer, but also became reinforcements since they were armed with guns of their own, willing to risk their lives.
Oh, they were guns of their own. Oh, so it was the civilian's own gun. I'm not sure, man. I don't know if it was the civilian's own gun. The narrator says it was the civilian's own gun. I think the narrator might be assuming. I think it was probably the officer's gun, if I had to guess, which I do. But yeah, that's what we're at right now. This is great.
Lives to fight with the officers.
We're at 335 for 43. I got 3 armed citizens helping me cover.
335, please. Where exactly are you? He had his belt.
He's right here. One's right here.
Guard that way.
And we're at 335. We are code 4 with Sarge.
That's what I did.
I got cover on a 2, but be aware there are 3 armed.
If this officer turns these civilians into like a 2x2 cover formation, holy shit, dude. I mean, I'm here for it. Let's go.
Armed citizens with me.
Copy. 3 armed citizens with you, and you're near D. David, correct?
In between the buildings, south of the playground.
Come back here. Copy. In between the buildings, south of the playground.
They helped the officers hold position till backup arrived, and both suspects were detained. One was declared deceased on the scene, and the other was charged with prohibited person in possession of a firearm and possession of a firearm without a serial number.
Ooh. Firearm without a serial number. Oh, that's a nice little thing.
The officer was taken to a rehabilitation center for his injuries, which could have been worse without the support from the armed civilians. If you're enjoying this video...
His cohort died, though? I'm surprised he didn't catch like a felony murder or something for that. With his cohort dying along the way. That's great, man. I love it. All right, cool.
Please like and subscribe. They appear to be at the right place at the right time, but the next man's arrival summed that up perfectly, as the odds of him being at this bullet-riddled crime scene were close to none. On April 10th, 2023, a man with a gun was walking down an Oregon road trying to gain access to people's vehicles on a highway, but when...
Well, let's see. I like how the narrator put that. It's like, you can't just take the next step in the logic on that one. You can't put 2 and 2 together on that one. It's not that hard, guys. There's a guy with a gun who's trying to enter people's cars on the highway. What do we call that, chat? It's not that complicated, man. Unfucking believable. All right, pressing on.
When he noticed a state trooper's vehicle,
yeah,
he tried
carjacking would be the right answer.
Only
That's
to be followed by the state
it.
trooper and told to surrender.
Get on the ground! Get on the ground! Get on the ground! Get on the ground now! Get on the ground! Counting 1254 north. He's got a gun. Get on the ground now!
As the officer approached without cover, the suspect fired, forcing him to stumble on the water before nearing his squad car for cover. He was injured during the gunfight, and panic began. But just then, a man with a badge exited his vehicle and approached the officer.
He's still moving. I was hit by something. I don't know why.
You got a rifle in the gun in the car?
Yeah.
You want me to get it, or you want me to hold him? I'm going to Canada. I left my gun at home.
You're going to Canada?
I'm on my way to Canada. I saw. You want me to hold him, or you want me to get your rifle?
Just stay back there. Can I see your badge again?
Yeah. Retired out of Pierce County to Washington.
44 copy.
9723, be advised. Traffic's all backed up from...
Nice. And so the officer gives him his ankle gun. Nice. Love it. Love it. This is great. I'm here for it, man. I'm here for the synergy, you know. I'm here for the synergy against the bad guys. I'm all, you know, I'm happy to be critical of the cops, as you guys well know. I'm more than happy to watch videos and be the police shouldn't have done that. They shouldn't have done that. And then of course there's this asshole, right? It's like, yeah, it's like, let's analyze the cops doing the right thing, and also some civilians along for the ride. Sounds great. Let's do that.
240. He's still moving. He's on the ground across the creek. I was hit by something. I have one off-duty Pierce County deputy with a firearm.
You think if it was me in this situation and I whipped out my bar card, the officer would be impressed? I'm technically an officer. Not of the law, but, you know, close enough. Yeah.
With me.
I'm copy your transmission.
9723, they've got the subject down in the wood line east of the freeway.
The man was a retired deputy and on his way to Canada, but once he saw an injured lone deputy in a gunfight, he grabbed his badge, asked for a gun, and went back to work. And with extra eyes and hands on the suspect, the officer could ease off while waiting for backup.
I'm not bleeding. I was hit by something. He might have...
Do sweeps on him. I'll hold cover. Okay.
You're not been hit at all?
He's Pierce County.
Okay, you're not hit at all?
I was hit by something.
Okay. Do you feel any blood or...
No.
Do not reach
for anything. Okay. He had something with a blue light that was pointing at me.
Okay.
It looked like he was trying to carjack some people.
Okay.
Hey, let them know I'm here.
The officer fired 47 shots, and 6 of them fatally wounded the suspect on scene.
47. That's a lot. Our hit ratio could be better. Yeah.
He had at least 6 previous felony convictions, and a grand jury justified the officer's...
6 previous felonies. Oh, okay. That answers a lot of things. Oh, yeah. Yeah. Okay. You don't say. You don't say the guy shooting at the officer had multiple previous felony convictions. Again, what are the odds? Oh, yeah.
use of deadly force. It's unclear if he was grazed or hurt by a bullet, but he survived the incident, and the retired deputy's presence was a huge help. The retired deputy helped the officer without having to shoot or approach the suspect. However, the next Good Samaritan got very physical with the suspect, who was trying to subdue a pregnant officer.
Don't do it.
Cut it out, cut it out, cut it out.
Thank you.
Cut it out.
Stop.
On August 3rd, 2023, a New Mexico State police officer following a car reported stolen watched as the driver nearly hit other motorists and bicyclists.
146 income. There's a biker. No, he just...
And even rammed into the officer multiple times.
And he's turning around. He's trying to ram me off the road. He just crashed me. He's trying to get me to pull over. He just rammed me.
The female officer was pregnant and alone with the driver, who appeared unstable and very aggressive. So she feared for her life, and that...
He appeared unstable? What would it look like to appear stable in this situation? That would be an interesting. I just like it because it's unnecessary information. It's like he appeared unstable. Okay, just out of raw curiosity, what would it look like for the suspect to appear stable while also doing these things? What would that look like? I'm having a hard time with that one. You know what I mean? Pressing on.
That of her child's, but the fear only got worse when the man exited his vehicle and headed straight for the officer.
We're here at the 2. He's on foot. 146 income. He's running at me. Stop!
Oh, now this guy is smashing on the police officer's window. Oh, dude, man. Officer, pull out your gun. Shoot the guy. Shoot him through the window. Fuck, man. What the fuck?
I'm gonna tase you, dude. Stop.
You're gonna tase him? You need to push up that force escalation tree, man. You need to notch that one right the fuck up. Fuck.
Stop. Back up. Stop. Stop.
The suspect damaged the officer's windshield to deter her from following him, and it became clear she was in grave danger. But just then, a man noticed the officer was in trouble and rushed in to help her by detaining the suspect.
Don't let him get in! Stop, stop! Stop! Don't do it!
Cut it out, cut it out, cut it out.
Thank you.
Cut it out.
Stop, stop. He's trying to... Stop! No, he's trying to grab my gun.
Get out the clip, get out the clip. Get out the clip.
I'm gonna tase you.
I got him. I'm gonna...
You're not gonna tase him with that black. Oh, that might be actually a taser. If that's okay, is that a taser? I don't know. Either way.
Cut it out.
What's your problem? Stop resisting.
Just let me go. Cut it. Yes, back. Get it out, get it out.
Turn.
Cut it out.
What kind of watch does the bad guy have? Hold on. Let's see if we can get a better look at that watch.
Cut it out.
You can't tell. Well, it could be a Rolex. It's got the coin bezel. It could be like a Submariner or something. It looks like black classic. Maybe.
Sorry. Oh.
I'm gonna tase you. Stop.
Stop.
I'm gonna tase you. I will
Grabbing everything.
Stop trying to bite me.
Yo, this is your job.
146, I got 1 mile detained. We're on 63 at the 2.
The man didn't know if the suspect was armed or just how dangerous he was, but he saw a terrified female officer and decided to help neutralize him. With this, he wasn't only saving the pregnant officer, but also the suspect, who might have been shot if he kept being disorderly.
He should have been shot. He should have been shot long ago, man. I'm serious, man. He should have been shot long ago. Officer needed a
Stop!
I'll give it to you.
Stop!
It's like
You tried to grab my gun. Shut up. I don't trust you.
You guys are jumping me.
Shut up.
You guys are jumping me. Oh, my hand's too tight.
Oh, your hands are too tight? Oh, let me tell you how sad I am. I am so sad that your hands are too tight. My sadness cannot be contained.
You ran over me in the car.
Be quiet, dude. You freaking hit me.
I tried to back at me multiple times. I think
okay. I'm gonna get gloves and stuff. I'm gonna just pat him down. I can do this.
The suspect was charged with aggravated battery on a peace officer with a deadly weapon,
easily
battery, attempted motor vehicle theft, resisting arrest, criminal damage to property, and reckless driving. The female officer was clearly shaken, showing that the bystander's presence was invaluable. However, the next bystanders were so important that even after helping the officer, he could never work as a police officer again.
Okay, be careful, Poppy. Be careful, Poppy.
Go, let's go, come on.
In November 2016, 2 officers noticed a man walking barefoot and blocking traffic on a highway. He appeared intoxicated as he jumped on several cars, including the deputy's squad car.
Well, that's a new one. I don't know. I'm not sure I've ever seen that one before. That might be new. He's doing a little parkour now using the officers' cars on the highway. Okay. All right. Parkour guy's got a parkour, man. Ookie doke.
Car. And as they tried to detain him, he began attacking them right in front of onlookers.
He's a big boy too, man. He is a big boy. He lifts.
Our hands on.
Oh, yeah.
Oh, yeah. Fine. Oh, ya lo electrocutaron. Oh, yeah. Oh, shit.
We can help. You can help an officer. Come on.
Corre.
Okay, be careful. Oh, be careful, Poppy.
Go, let's go. Come on.
Espérate. No, let me help. Who's in the front of the truck?
Come on.
Poppy, who's in the front?
Andres.
Who's in the front of the truck? Please. Well, everybody's going after that. All the people are helping.
What do you need?
Thank you, old Dan Tucker. I am doing well. I'm happy to report that my workouts continue to go well. I don't mind gloating about it a little bit. I keep crushing at the gym today. I was setting some new PRs on bench today, which was very good. I'm very excited. So my January goals are looking very optimistic for my continuing workouts. I'm very hyped by this. So I'm very pleased. Thank you for noticing. It does help.
Get on his feet.
It took up to 10 people to detain the man, showing that the officers desperately needed help. The suspect was taken to the hospital where he passed from a drug overdose, and both officers were also hospitalized, with one of them suffering permanent injuries that forced his retirement from the police force. It could have ended much worse without the help of onlookers who were eventually awarded for their bravery. But the next bystander suffered a bleeding head injury while trying to help officers, and he still didn't let that stop him.
Behind your back. Put your hand behind your back.
On May 18th, 2021, a Florida deputy stopped a vehicle owner after he cut across all lanes of traffic and almost struck him.
Come here. What are you doing? Come here. What are you doing? Come here. What's going on? No. Calm down. What is it? What are you doing? You're crazy. You're going crazy here. Okay. We are. What's going on? Because you almost crashed into me. Understand? Calm down. What's your name?
That's on my law.
No. You gonna stay right here. Come back here.
You're gonna call your lawyer? Yeah. Again, I just maybe I just don't have it out to be a criminal lawyer. Maybe it's just not my, maybe I'm just much more of a prosecutor or something than a criminal defense lawyer. Because I don't know what to do with these people. I don't know what to do. What am I supposed to do with this guy as my client? What am I supposed to do with this guy? Or any of these people, really? And what am I supposed to do with these people?
Here a second. Come back here a second.
The suspect appeared disturbed and unstable, so to ensure his safety while investigating the incident, the deputy moved to place him in custody, but that wouldn't end very well.
Hey. No, sir. Come back here, man. Come on. Put your hands behind your back. Put your hands behind your back. Put your hands behind your back, man. Put your hands behind your back. Stop. Okay.
Don't do that.
Just then, the suspect hit the deputy's head with his elbow, leading up to a struggle. But seeing that the deputy was alone with the wild man, two citizens jumped out of their vehicles to help him.
Hey, get on the ground. Get on the ground. Put your hand behind your back. Put your hand behind your back. Come on, put your hand behind your back. Put your hand behind your back. Nobody's gonna.
It ain't working, buddy.
It ain't working.
They want to me. They want to me.
Calm down. We got one custody. You okay, sir? You bleeding? No, I'm fine. Okay. Oh, I am.
You're bleeding?
You good?
Yeah.
Everybody okay?
We're going to rescue.
Hey! Relax. Relax. Well, nobody hit you in your face. Relax. Sit up.
I knew a public defender. People said, "What's my defense going to be?" To which you said, "You sold drugs to cops." Yeah, you see, that's this is a problem. Yeah, what is my defense? Well, you see, the thing is that you sold some drugs to some police officers. Yeah, but what's our defense? I don't know. The only you could try well, no, if you represented them as drugs as you were selling them, that doesn't help you. Yeah. It could help you theoretically if you were the buyer. You could try a mistake of fact defense with good fucking luck trying to pull this off, because of course, if the officer or if the undercover is selling you drugs, it's most likely not drugs, right? It just looks like drugs, right? It's not really drugs. Now, if you're the buyer in this controlled buy, you could try the defense of, well, actually, it wouldn't be mistake of fact. It would be if you could get the jury to believe that you knew for a fact that they weren't drugs, then you would be innocent. So that could work as a defense. Okay, here's what I want you to do as the buyer in this control buy. I want you to take the stand and say that you knew for a fact that they weren't drugs. And so it's not attempt to possess narcotics because you knew they weren't drugs, even though they told you they were drugs, but you knew they weren't. So it's not attempt. You could try that. That could be fun. Yeah.
Buddy, you hit me. You hit me. Sit on your Get up and sit on your Get up.
Necessity for a controlled drug buy? That'd be fun, Travis. What is the necessity defense in this one? I like this one. So you want me to say that somehow the controlled drug buy was necessary? I don't know. That's even harder than what I came up with. How am I going to squeeze out a necessity defense out of this? I like my I did not believe them to be drugs defense. I knew he was undercover, and so I knew they weren't really drugs, and so I didn't attempt to possess the narcotics because I knew they weren't drugs. I like my defense better. How are we getting necessity out of this? It was really I had to do the controlled buy because Yeah, I don't know, man. What are we doing on the other end of that one? I don't know what we're doing on the other end of that.
Help me! Look it up on...
One citizen suffered a forehead cut trying to subdue the suspect, while the other held the suspect's pet dog, trying to defend its owner. They helped without knowing the details of the case, and even without being asked to.
What happened?
They was at the intersection, they started fighting.
Oh, okay. Here's a witness bystander.
I pulled in here, this truck, and the dog jumped out, so I put the dog back in the truck.
Oh, okay. Can I get...
Yeah, I'll give you my... I ain't going nowhere. This is the gentleman that helped me.
You good, sir?
Your officer was just talking to him.
Yeah?
He shoved your officer, tried to run away. Your officer grabbed his hand. Your officer...
Why you got turned off in the fight?
Yeah, he did nothing. I was sitting at the light. He was talking to him. The guy tried to run away. He grabbed his hand. Your officer.
They helped with detaining the suspect, and in turn, the officers thanked them on the scene, and the sheriff disclosed that they would both receive citizens awards for their actions. And there was one thing left for the officers to do.
Does he have any folks in him?
Three of them.
Maybe. He took two cartridges.
The first one only put one in.
One in, so I hit him with the second cartridge.
We're not going on. Hi, Mama. Hi, what a mama. It's a good girl.
Stop working.
Actually, the first shot you fired, only put one in him.
Yeah,
I missed.
Yes. He came out of the car wanting to check daddy.
Yeah, I bet.
What's up, boys? I need to check to see if there's an ID in here.
Here,
You want to come on out, buddies? You want to come on out?
The officers remained professional towards all, including the suspect, who was eventually charged with resisting an officer with violence, battery on a law enforcement officer, driving with a suspended license,
no surprise,
and expired registration.
Sure.
It appeared he was impaired and just wanted to get away from the officers. However, this man was out to harm this officer.
Have a seat.
I'm not sitting. I'm not sitting!
But this...
Okay, that was a little aggressive. That was a little aggressive there. If I'm not sitting, that was a little, that wasn't great. Now let's just try to bring the temperature down. Okay.
This Good Samaritan wouldn't let him.
What the?
On September 10th, 2022, an Ohio police officer pulled over a vehicle for speeding and approached the driver asking for an ID, which was when things became chaotic.
Yeah, I can't think of an illicit drug where it would be life or death. Yeah, that's what I'm saying, right? Yeah, how's that going to work, right? What street drug am I buying for necessity? Yeah, that's the real trick, right? I suppose speed, maybe, if like I was like really running out of ADHD drugs, maybe there's something in there, or yeah, how am I getting necessity out of a street drug? I'm gonna have a hard time with that one. Yeah. 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 Yeah.
Why are you getting out of the car, sir?
I gotta get my driver's license.
12 radio, this male just stepped out of the vehicle. Step over here now. Have a seat.
Probably good.
Have a seat.
I'm not sitting. I'm not sitting!
Back up! Back up!
I'm not sitting!
The officer asked the man to sit because she hadn't searched him and didn't want him to suddenly lunge at her, but this ended up showing just how aggressive the man was as he pinned her against the car before an onlooker saw the struggle and decided to help.
What the?
Nice, Scott. I like this.
I'm not sitting!
I want to watch this again with the civilian.
I'm not sitting!
The officer asked the man to sit because she hadn't searched him and didn't want him to suddenly lunge at her, but this ended up showing just how aggressive the man was as he pinned her against the car before an onlooker saw the struggle and decided to help.
What the?
I guess the bystander isn't a feminist, right? Bystander must not be a feminist because obviously she's a strong, independent woman who don't need no man, and she's got this, right? Yeah. Okay. Yeah.
Radio, send me units. Roll over on your stomach now.
You only have one case where necessity work, felon in possession of firearm. Yeah, there you go. That would work. Yeah, so that would get you past the, yeah, that would work. I've seen it done before in courts and other cases too. Yeah, it will get you past the felon in possession charge. But no, it will get you past like the murder charge. For necessity for a felon in possession, yeah, you might be able to get there too. Under the right circumstances. Yeah. A necessity for a felon in possession? Yeah, it could work. I could see it. Yeah. Fair enough. Yeah, it could work.
Knock it off, man. Knock it off now. Get your arm behind you. Put your arm behind your back. Okay, get your cuffs. Get your cuffs. Get your cuffs. Shut up. Shut up.
I love how we've got a little dog pile going on here from random members of the public. This is cute. You know, we just got a little group pile going on over here. This is great.
You don't do that to a woman. Do you understand me?
You don't do that to a woman? Really? You don't do that to a woman? Okay. I mean, I would go with you probably shouldn't do it to a police officer, but we could go with a woman here too if it makes it work. Very specific threats? Yeah, no, it would have to be, Travis. I mean, I appreciate that. You appreciate, I mean, we know what we're talking about, but for the benefit of chat, yes. Yeah, it would have to be. Real threats, criminal threats at home. Yeah. I mean, I could conjure the facts in my head. I could conjure the fact pattern, or at least variants of the fact pattern in my head. I was like, yeah, I can see it. No problem. I got there instantly. The street drugs I was having harder problems with, but the felon in possession, yeah, I could get there. I get it. Yeah, it's like, all right, cool. Yeah, I get it.
Or not, you don't do that to a woman.
Cop or not, you don't do it to a woman. Oh, lol.
Don't do that to a woman. He raised you. All right. You're good up here. You're good.
4 people rushed in to help the female officer, and they successfully pinned him down, with one of them giving him some scolding. Once he was secured in cuffs, they left without waiting to speak to the officers or ask for thanks, showing that they were just there to help and nothing more.
Stand up. Walk back.
All right, should we just watch someone being just a complete idiot? Because I saw this video earlier, and it's like, you know, just to show you, like, this is like these old things, like, you know, no one would ever charge at a police officer with a gun. Like, it's like, you know, no one would ever charge at a police officer. No one ever fight a police officer, you know, like all that shit. And it's like, people do some weird shit, man. Let's just watch them real stupid. Give me a second. I'm going to find some peak stupid here today. Okay, so here's a peak stupid. There's this asshole.
Bay County 911, what's the address of the emergency?
Weber Road, Weber and 231, South Florida.
Okay, what's going on over there?
There's a guy in a red maroonish long sleeve shirt and black pants with a chain that is walking with a rifle. Not sure of the exact gun. Not even sure if it's BB, but I know a car went to turn off Weber just a second ago, and he took the gun off and pointed it at the car as the car was turning.
That's not great.
Daytime Sheriff's Office, where is your emergency? There's a guy walking down at Weber Road with an assault rifle and found him. Okay, what is your name? Okay. I was actually just heading home because this is the same guy that was stalking me at my work yesterday.
Great.
Okay, just stay on the line with me. Are you close to Edward Road in Weber? Yeah, I just kept driving. He waved at me and smiled, and I didn't turn down Edward. I just kept going straight.
Mr. Smith.
How do you know my name? I didn't give you my name.
I know you didn't.
reached for your gun. It don't work.
Mr. Smith.
I'm not reaching for mine.
I know
Reach
you're not.
for yours.
Mr. Smith.
You can already tell this interaction's off to a great start, right? We're not even 5 seconds into this interaction. It's going super great. We all know where this is going, right? Yeah. We all know exactly where this is going, right? Yeah, great. Moving on.
Reach for your gun. Grab that by the strap and put it down, please. Camera on. I'll see no red light. It's on. Sure. Mr. Smith, do you know where you're at? Yeah. Where are you at? Wake County. I'm on. You just, no, is this in your height? Nope. It is not. This is Carolina. Subdivision. Okay. Can I take that off of you? Huh? Can I take that by the strap and get off of you? You worried about it? You got a gun. You got two of them. I know. You got two
Why
as
you
well.
want mine? So why you want just one?
Mr. Smith.
Hey, I'm telling you, you touched me, bro. I
Mr.
talked about
Smith.
this shit. Hey, one more. Hey, grab it.
Don't you touch it.
Don't. No fear,
man. I got one at gunpoint.
No fear.
Put it down. Put it down.
Yeah, so that went just about as well as you would have expected. That's yeah. Again, the stupid is incredibly real with some of these people. The stupid is just so incredibly real. Yeah, that went about as well as you could have anticipated.
Hey, shots fired. Drop the gun. Drop it. I need code 3 now. I got shots fired.
I'll take you 1 code 3 from the office.
Hey, shots fired. One subject down.
Is he still alive? No. That would be that's the end of the interaction. Yeah, the entire interaction lasted like 15 seconds. That brings us to the end of the interaction. But yeah, people do some real peak stupid stuff, man. I mean, Jesus Christ. Let us see what else I got from earlier. That looked pretty dumb. Let's see. I got some good stupid from earlier too, I'm pretty sure. Let's see what else there is. Moments before she catches a felony and gets fired. This is some pretty peak stupid. This is stupid in a different way, but this is some pretty peak stupid. Let's watch this peak stupid.
Oh, good job. Hey.
We're not gonna have any.
Holy shit.
On January 31st, 2025, officers responded to a workplace incident involving an employee reportedly out of control, attacking co-workers and damaging property. 2 employees attempted to restrain her until officers arrived.
Is anybody injured? Are you injured? You don't need an ambulance? Okay.
Is there anyone injured? No. No? Okay. Can we talk over there maybe?
Yes.
This is Jenny.
I'll talk to Jenny real quick. Will you just see if anybody got physically? Hi. You're Jenny?
Yes.
Okay. What's going on today?
Nothing. I was telling my supervisor nothing's going on, and she told me that I seemed out of it, and I was like, I'm tired. I work 2 jobs. Like, it's Friday. Like, I have to go to my other job, my yoga studio, and clean up and go to work.
Sure.
That's it.
That's understandable. Okay.
And that was it.
Okay.
And that was it.
Did you physically go after anybody? Did anybody physically go after you?
They just, I just kept asking them, like, what's wrong? Like, I didn't do anything. Like, what's wrong with it? And I just kept pleading to them. I was like, I didn't do anything. I didn't do anything.
Okay.
And that was it. But it wasn't anything like me being aggressive to them. Or at least I didn't think it was being aggressive.
Did anybody put their hands on you?
No.
Okay, and you didn't put your hands on anybody else?
No.
Okay. How much sleep did you get last night?
I got 8 hours.
You got 8 hours? What time did you start this job today?
It would have been at 7.
So 7 in the morning.
So when I woke up, would have been 7. By the time I got here, it would have been 8.
Okay. So, and then you work what, 8 to?
8 to now.
8 to now? Okay. All right. Has this ever happened before? No. They've never approached you?
No.
Okay.
Oh, this is new.
Okay. Have you had anything to drink?
No.
Okay. Are you somebody that does drink alcohol?
Occasionally, but not today.
Not today, okay.
No. Especially not because I'm working.
Okay, so that's never something like you would go on your lunch break and maybe have a drink or anything like that. Okay.
No.
What about any type of like medicine you're on or anything like that?
Nothing.
Nothing? Okay.
Nothing.
So you just feel tired?
Could be, but this is every Friday. Like, this is something.
Do you have days off? What are your days off?
No. I mean, I'm Monday through Friday, and then so when I go and clean at the yoga studio is Monday, Thursday, or Monday, Wednesday, and Friday. So it's not like it's just today.
Okay. So you just feel overtired?
I mean, I feel normal.
Okay. This is your normal?
Yeah.
Okay. You don't know why they think did they say anything as to why they thought you looked maybe not abnormal?
No.
Like you didn't fall asleep at your desk or anything like that?
No.
Okay. Would you tell me if you had anything to drink and if I didn't tell your boss? Just so I know medically what I'm dealing with?
Yeah.
And you're saying no alcohol, no type of drugs or anything like that?
Yeah.
Yes, you have or no, you haven't?
No.
No, you haven't. Okay.
No.
Okay. You do seem a little off to me talking to you, but I don't know you. You seem a little like slow to respond and your eyes are very glazed over. Were you crying at all?
Yeah, I was crying because of what they accused me of.
Okay, sure.
Yeah.
I'm sorry, I didn't even ask. How old are you?
I'm 32.
Okay, so you're 32. So you haven't had any.
Have I watched the Chuck E. Cheese arrest? I have actually not watched the Chuck E. Cheese arrest yet. I amazingly have not watched Chuck E. Cheese, but I really, really should. So after we watch this woman, who I'm sure will, just go home and everything will be just perfectly fine. After we watch this woman, we'll watch Chuck E. Cheese because that's hilarious. I have not gotten around to it yet. We definitely need to watch it though, because that'll be fun.
And you think this is more of a misunderstanding?
Yes.
Okay, how did you get to work today?
By myself. I'm like coming to here regularly. Yeah.
Okay, and you didn't drive or anything like that?
I mean, I drove.
Oh, you drove. You did drive.
Yeah, of course.
You drove
That's what I'm trying to tell you. Like, I drove here normally.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay. So I've got to talk to my partner. This is kind of I got to make sure nothing criminal happened. I don't think anything did. Okay. Then it's going to be more of an internal thing with your workplace. How long have you worked here?
I worked here since October.
October? Okay. So they might have some internal whatever they're going to decide to do. That's out of our hands, okay? The next thing I will have to do is make sure you're good to drive.
Okay.
Okay? So you would be able to pass some field sobriety test, or I could just get a PBT and you could blow into it and it should show all zeros, right? Or is it not going to?
No, at that point, that's whatever you guys think.
I just want to make sure you're good to drive. I sure wouldn't want you to get behind the wheel and then have an accident, and you don't need that in your life, right? You don't need a DUI. Because you could leave here, head yourself into another town, and then something else bad happens. So if I gave you a PBT test, would you blow zeros or no?
Say no. Say no.
Shake your head yes or no. I don't care. And I'm not going to tell your boss. It's not my place to tell your boss.
I mean, it's not my place to tell anything.
My concern is you don't.
Fair enough. You have a right to remain silent, and you should invoke it at all times. Good for you. You have my blessing. Yeah, I'm not doing that. Fuck you.
Drive if you've had too much to drink.
I mean, I'm fine right now, and there's nothing to...
Would it be... Okay, how about this? Would it be best if you called a friend or a family member or an Uber to have you leave for tonight and come get your car later?
Sure.
You know what? Here's a pro tip, by the way. If you just want this is a good get out of jail free card that the officer just gave you right now. The officer just said, why don't you just call an Uber and go home? That would be like the time where you'd be like, yes, please. I'd really like to do that. The officer just gave you an out, man. Right? Just call the Uber. It'll be the best $30 you ever spent on the round trip. Just call the Uber, go home, go back. It'll be great. Yeah, that's a good pro tip, man. The officer says, why don't you call an Uber? Be like, that sounds like a great idea. Thanks, officer. I'm going to go ahead and do that right now. There's a pro tip, man. Go. Because, I mean, for no other reason than, not being next to the officer really decreases your odds of arrest dramatically. So now would be a good time to say yes. That sounds like a lot of fun. I should do that.
Does that sound fair?
Yeah.
Okay. I like that. I appreciate that. Okay.
Yeah.
But let me go talk to my partner, and then we're going to try to get out here. Do you have your ID on you?
Yeah. Let me get it.
Oh, no. You don't have to get it. Just, I don't want you to have any confrontation with them. Just have a seat. My partner's going to hang tight with you, okay?
So at this point, no, they don't want to do anything other than have her leave.
Perfect. Okay. She's going to...
Great. At this time, they don't want to do anything than get her out of the building. Excellent. All right. So that's, man, we are good to go. At this point, they're good. We just want her to leave the property, call that Uber, fight another day, man. Will it end that way? Let's find out.
Get in. You want to do an Uber?
I mean, I'm fine. I'm just telling you, like, if you need...
You're not going to drive. I'm talking to you.
Okay? No, I'm going to tell you right now, I'm fine.
You're not fine to drive.
I'm going to tell you right now,
okay.
I'm fine.
I know that's what you're telling me, but I can tell by just the communication I've had with you, you're not okay to drive. Okay? So, like, the best plan is for you to get an Uber. Where's your phone at? Do you want to grab... Why don't you grab your stuff and call yourself an Uber?
Okay.
Say yes. Say yes. Say yes. They're giving you it. I love videos like this so much. I love these videos where it happens every once in a while where you're watching the body camera, and it's not the first time we've seen it, where the officer says something and they're just like, the attorney in me is like screaming. They're just giving it to you. They're giving it to you, lady. Or man, but usually lady, it seems. It's like they're just giving it to you. All you have to do is say yes, right? All you have to do is say yes. They're just giving it to you. Some people don't know how to say yes when the moment comes, man. Tell you what, man, it's a real problem.
Is this your water bottle? Because it's leaking.
This big one.
Okay, this one.
You drink a whole one in a day?
Yeah,
that's pretty good.
Oh, good job,
Hey, we're not gonna have any. We're not gonna have any more
shit.
Let's walk out.
Yeah.
Good job, baby.
We're gonna leave. We're gonna keep walking.
Good job.
Keep walking.
Hey,
keep walking.
Yeah, see that we were so close. We were so close. We just so close.
Good job, baby.
We're gonna leave. We're gonna keep walking.
Good job.
Keep walking.
Hey,
keep walking.
Yeah, she pushed the officer away. She pushed the officer and it went to hell. We were so close. We were so close. Oh, well.
All right, that's it.
Hey. Joe, if you can give me a cup. So.
Why the officers put hands on her? Well, the officer was trying to gently escort her from the property, like a bouncer, because the property had asked that she leave the property. And so the officer is trying to guide her along, as one does, as a bouncer might, to kindly eject you from the property. And she decided to fight back, which doesn't go well for her. So yeah, that's what happened there. Yeah. And the reason the officer did that in the first place is because she decided to clap and basically antagonize and be like, okay, it's closing time. Let's just let's get everyone away from everyone. Let's get everyone away from everyone, diffuse. And so the officers are trying to move along, and she decides to push back, and now we are where we are. It's going great.
All right, don't move. I'm gonna make this so they don't tighten up on you, okay?
Don't move. Is there an exit that way or no?
Oh, you. Jenny, we're gonna get you up, okay?
Yeah, I know.
We're not looking to fight with you, okay?
No, I know.
All right, I'm gonna help you up. Ready? One, just
No,
come this
help
way.
me? Can you help me?
Sure, that's fine.
Not you.
That's fine.
You go sit up. Now walk up.
You good? I'll be right behind you.
Yeah, can you just open?
Also, I don't really think that you're assuming your job was one to give you another shot. I don't think that's going super well anymore.
Oh, can you just open up?
I'm gonna go this way.
Can you just open up? Can I get
I'll grab your stuff.
She seems like they might have an excessive force case. Not even a chance. Not even a little bit. No, not even a little bit of excessive force. Not even. No, you guys have no fucking idea what you're talking about. Not even a little bit. Come on, man. You know better than that.
I'll grab your stuff.
Officer, please.
I'll grab your stuff.
Don't. Yeah, that's not going great.
Oh, you ugly.
Let's go.
You ugly. You were disgusting. You were the most terrible manager ever. You never gave me feedback. You were terrible. I will you up. I will you up.
13.
Why are the handcuffs pink? I mean, not that it matters, but why are the handcuffs pink? Okay.
Give me a second.
Shut the up. Shut the you stupid.
Did you get hit, ma'am? Okay.
Smaller wrists?
Good thing.
Oh, what's the timing?
Good timing.
Let me go get my car.
Sure.
Come back around.
Squirtly.
We're trying to have somebody open up a door for us.
What do you mean we got here? Or,
Yeah. Don't kick me.
Stop.
You've already been charged with aggravated battery. Don't move. Are you injured?
No, you're asking me right now if I'm injured. My right cuff is injured. You idiot. You're a idiot cop right now.
don't kick me.
You're a idiot if you're telling me that if anything is injured. You're a idiot because you are injuring my right hand right now.
Don't move.
Oh, you.
She is obviously on something. I don't know what that something is, or she's just unbelievably tired. It could be tiredness. Although she'd have to be pretty tired, but it could be tiredness. But something is not right here in the state of Denmark, man. I feel like we're going to be able to get that blood test pretty reliably. I'm just feeling right about now. Yeah.
Don't move, Jennifer. Don't move. Don't move.
It's the same shit. It's the same shit you guys are putting us through. What the fuck does it matter?
You guys want my computer up? Or do you want me to hold the door?
You hold the door, yeah.
Yeah.
Okay, stand up.
You want me to stand up?
Yeah, go ahead.
What the fuck?
Hold on, let me search it real quick. Look, I have to check you before you get in my car.
Go ahead, ma'am.
Please don't kick me. Please don't do anything
I'm
violent.
not doing
okay?
shit to you. Just do it. Just shut the fuck up
I
about
gotcha.
it. Just fucking do it. Ma'am, you have nothing to worry about. Shut the fuck up.
Sit back for me, please.
She seems like a treat.
Sitting. What the fuck am I gonna do?
Yeah.
Shut up, dude. Just leave me alone.
seatbelt on you,
You
okay?
gotta put your seatbelt on.
So she's gonna pass this
Why
out
does
to me.
she? Oh my god.
She's gonna pass it.
She's a idiot.
Okay.
She doesn't know what the she's doing. She's a idiot. Look at her.
Just sit back for me so we can get this around.
Barely. Look at this idiot. You got it? Holy shit. Good for you, ma'am. Okay. Good for you.
Okay.
Anything. I don't deserve this.
I don't know. It kind of feels like you might deserve it a little bit, lady. I mean, you bought a ticket and now you're going to take a little ride. I mean, you bought the ticket. Not giving you the ride would just be unfair. You get to win all the prizes, man. Jesus.
Hey, you're going fast. Miss Girl, patrolling. Woo, patrolling. You're old as so so this must be so easy for you. Good for you. You have old gray hair, so I'm sure this is very easy for you. Good for you, girl. Good for you.
The woman was charged with aggravated battery on a peace officer, obstructing a peace officer, criminal damage to property, and aggravated battery for assaulting her manager. Share your thoughts below, and remember.
Yeah, she did all those things. Let's see if we can find out any update on her. Well, it was January of this year. Let's see if there's any updates. Let's see if I can get her name. There's no name in the thing. Sometimes they have a follow-up in the description. No update in the description. Yeah. Well, we have a date, January 31st, 2025, and we have a date and we have a location because we have the badges of the officers, their patch.
At this point, no.
Yeah, it was St. Charles, Illinois. All right, let's see if we can find out. St. Charles, Illinois, woman, Jan 31, workplace. Let's see if there's anything we can find of this thing. Okay, let's see if there's any update on this one. Okay, let's see. The employee was identified as Jennifer. Spoke with Jennifer. The officers placed Jennifer in a patrol car. Subsequently released to a male pending court appearance. Jennifer was charged with the following things. Let's see if we can find out any more information about Jennifer. Let's see. Jennifer. Doesn't look like there's any more information about her. That's unfortunate. Oh well. Let me try Google News and see if that pops up anything. St. Charles, Illinois, woman, Gen 30. Okay. So just try St. Charles, Illinois, and Jennifer, see if that pops up anything. No. All right, I can't find any information about it right now, so I'm just going to move on. Let's see what else we can find out that's going on today about the stupid. All right, let's go back to watching citizens intervening and saving cops. That seems to be fun. We'll go back to we'll go back to the civilians intervening and saving some cops. That sounds fun.
Back to my car.
The man, now very compliant with the female officer's request, was eventually charged with assault on a police officer, resisting arrest, and speeding. He appeared to be having a bad day and just took his frustration out on the officer. However, the next suspect was a felon and he would do anything to avoid going to jail.
Let go of me. Right down.
On August 4th, 2023, an Amarillo officer conducting a traffic stop learned that the driver had a...
You know what I would be helpful is I could ask ChatGPT. I bet you ChatGPT can find information on it because I pay for like all that premium access. There's a reason I pay for like pro access and deep research and all that shit. We'll go back to this while I'm ChatGPTing.
Warrant and tried to arrest him, but he started resisting and ran off.
Stay on the ground. Stay on the ground. Now. Yeah, dude. Turn over. I got it. Let go of me. Right now.
The suspect had a free hand, which he used to grab the officer's gun, putting him in a very dangerous position. But just then, a bystander saw the commotion and decided to help the officer immediately, just after the suspect fired the gun, grazing the officer's side.
Stay still. Stay still. I will fuck you. No! I got a kid! Okay! That's your stop me! Let go! Let go!
The man pinned the suspect and then retrieved the gun to the officer, who realized just how bad things could have gotten. He radioed for backup while the civilian held the suspect, and 5 minutes later, backup arrived to help the officer and secure the arrest. Things could have ended very differently for the officer, and he knew it. So after making sure that he wasn't seriously injured, he thanked the citizen for saving his life. The officer was treated for non-life-threatening injuries, and the suspect was charged with attempted capital murder of a peace officer, attempting to take a weapon from a peace officer, possession of a controlled substance, resisting arrest, evading arrest, false ID, possession of drug paraphernalia, and other charges. He got a long list of charges for his actions. However, this man got nothing but praise and thanks after what he did.
Appreciate you, man.
That's a pretty long list of charges. His defense lawyer is going to have some difficulties with that one, I would imagine. You know? Yeah, it could be problems.
On February 15, 2022, Columbus police received a report that a man trying to rescue his dog from a frozen pond ended up falling inside. So an officer rushed to the icy pond with a rescue rope to drag the man, and another man offered to help.
I got one. I don't know if it's long enough. How far you go out there?
I went out to where the ice is and the snow.
You take this out to him?
The bystander wasn't related to the man in the pond, but knew that he was wheezing cold and his lower body was getting numb, so he needed immediate help or he would get hypothermia and possibly drown.
get him out of there. We got the rescue rope to him. Can you get up out of there, man? You got to get out of there quick.
81. 81, stand by.
Hang on. Well, let's try again.
Hey Steve, where are you in relation to Mercedes Lane? Hey Sam, right behind. It's north of your location. Just go behind those buildings. The buildings are right next to you. Where you almost backed into me? The north side of that, on the other side of that building.
Come on. Come on, guy. Come on. Come on. We got him out.
Copy, got him out. S9D, I'm here.
See if we can help him. Hang on to that rope some more.
Yeah, I'm working on
that rope. Let's pull him up some more. One more.
How the hell did he get all the way out there? This dog ran out there.
A little more.
Whoa!
There you go, bud.
Anybody else in there? No. I got this dog.
Holy shit. I got him.
Come here. Oh,
appreciate you, man.
Hey, what's going on?
If there's any cruisers coming on 60, slow them down.
Watch out. Don't slide all the way.
Anybody not seen on that 20 can
We're hanging on the sign.
Yeah. This little dog here ran out there. And he got it out the water, slipped in. Trying for a war, man. Amazing person. He saw me sliding out here.
I did it a few times. I parked right there, ran through the fence.
The officers thanked the bystander for his help, and the man he rescued from the pond was already numb, so many other bystanders gathered to drag him onto the surface, after which he was placed in an ambulance. On July 27, 2024, an Arkansas state trooper watched a vehicle going 114 miles per hour down a highway and began a traffic stop. The driver kept going for a while before eventually pulling over, but when he refused the female trooper's orders to exit the vehicle, a struggle ensued.
Roll over on your stomach. Now, roll over.
I'd be like, wait.
Roll over.
Wait.
Roll over on your stomach.
The female trooper had to detain a resistant male all alone, and even though she looked to be in control with her taser, the suspect quickly disarmed her and looked to overpower her just when a woman stopped to help.
Give me that taser now.
Nice. Go get it, badass. Go get it, girl. Yeah. Love it. Nice.
With the suspect pinning the trooper like that, things could have gotten really bad if the woman hadn't come to help, but both of them still couldn't get the suspect to comply as he kicked the trooper in the head multiple times. So after more struggle, the trooper shot the man in the temple.
Well, that'll do it.
Get on your back.
You shot him in the temple and he's still talking? How? Those two thoughts don't go together at the same time. That doesn't make any sense. What?
Get on your back. Roll over.
The trooper contained the man till backup arrived, and he was taken to the hospital for life-threatening injuries before being sent to the county's detention center. The officer was also treated for non-life-threatening injuries thanks partly to the helpful stranger, who later disclosed that she helped because she didn't want to hear about the situation playing out in a devastating way. If you like this video, YouTube...
I do like the be the changes you want to see in the world. When good cops humiliate the heck out of rich, spoiled, bratty tourists. That sounds like fun. Let's see some bratty tourists get what's owed to them.
Don't you start.
Go.
Go.
Are you threatening me now?
No, I'm not.
Are you threatening me?
He's not.
Can I get your ID number?
This drunk tourist refused to stop interrupting police investigation and would be arrested by these officers.
Work away, you're going to... Now you're going to jail.
Let's go.
Get away. Get away.
What did I do? What the did I do? What the did I do?
I could take a fairly reasonable guess at what you did without knowing any context whatsoever. I've got some thoughts about what you probably did. Probably involved alcohol in some capacity, pretty sure.
Go somewhere else.
Let her walk away with me. Let her walk away.
You gave her the opportunity.
What did I do? Let her walk away with me. What did I do?
I gave her the
Let her walk away.
opportunity.
What did I do? Alright, stop talking. What am I being arrested for? What am I being arrested for?
Obstruction.
Obstruction of what? Obstruction of what? What's your badge number?
I think we're good for now.
What is it? You can't tell me.
Don't worry, it'll be on the police report, I promise.
What's your badge number?
Why are you yelling?
Officer Apo. Where's your sergeant? Whatever the head of your is. So where's the manager?
Oh yeah, we made a promise to ourselves collectively, and I kind of forgot. We promised, or at least I promised implicitly, that we were going to watch Chuck E. Cheese get arrested. So we are going to do that now because that is definitely what we need in our day. So before this is St. Petersburg, Florida, by the way, as if you couldn't have made a reasonable projection on that. I mean, you knew it was Florida, right? The only question was where in Florida, right? It was St. Petersburg, but you know, it was Florida. You knew the answer to that question without asking, right? In any event, we're going to watch Chuck E. Cheese get arrested because that sounds fucking hilarious. All right, let's do this bullshit.
It's gonna be him in the mouth there. Oh boy. Oh my god. Just ask management who's in the mouth.
You gotta love the officers. They're walking to this like, holy shit, dude. The officers are like, holy shit, man. Fuck this noise. It's like, fuck me. Yeah, I feel you, officers. It's gotta be a tough one. Woof.
We know his name. They don't know his name. We're gonna detain the mouse, dude. We are. Do it. I want you to. Go around and ask. Go around. You want me to come in front of the kids? Yeah, grab him. Get him. Grab him, quick. Don't resist. Do not resist. Don't let
You know, not for nothing, but like, would it have really killed you to like try to ask the mouse to step into a back room first? I mean, you know, to spare the children a little bit, would that be too much? Did you at least try? Would you mind stepping into a back room for us so we don't have to do this in front of the kids? They didn't even try, man. They didn't even try. I mean, I'm just saying, man. I'm not saying it would have worked, but, you know, a college try might have not been, you know, unwarranted. So, it's not like he's going anywhere. He's not going to run away or escape, man. Lord. Also, not for nothing, how they really know that this is the guy that they're looking for. Yeah? Yeah.
Let your hands go. Let your hands go. I got it. I got
Oh, that's funny. The guy was working in front. The cop came to see if it was him. They went to get the partner. He got in costume. Oh, is there more video that I'm not getting? Is there expanded, increased, exciting video? If there's more exciting, increased, expanded video, I need this in my day. I need further video. If there's more exciting, expanded video. Holy shit, that sounds great. Let's see if we can. Yeah, is there? Yeah, where can we find this deep lore bullshit? Well, none of the video I'm watching starts before they enter the place to arrest it. One sec, we'll look. Okay, we're going to give William a second to see if he can track it down, because this sounds like the highlight of my day. Incidentally, by the way, the name of the woman that was involved in that office incident was Jennifer Guadalupe Sanchez, and I am currently doing a extreme deep dive trying to find further information about her court case. I did an initial search and they're like, I can't find anything. And then so I was like, okay, ChatGPT, go deeper. Do the deep research, super deep research. All right, I guess while we're waiting for that to happen, we'll go back and watch Chuck E. Cheese get arrested. If we get that before, we'll watch it later. All right, well, so we'll just pick it up from the beginning while we're waiting for increased exciting video.
It's gonna be him in the mouth there. Oh boy. Oh my god. Just ask management who's in the mouth seat. Do we know his name? We don't know his name. We don't know his name.
You can get unlimited visits for $7.99. That's nice. All right.
We're gonna detain the mouse, dude. We are. Do it. I want you to.
I love how the officer's waiting on the right hand side. He's waiting in line. He's so polite. I appreciate that.
Go around and ask. Go around. You want me to come in front of the kids? Yeah, grab him. Get him. Grab him, quick.
God, I haven't been to a Chuck E. Cheese in such a long time. It looks like such a sad place. Shit. My memories of it when I was a child were better. Did it always look this sad? Man. Video's called Chuck E. Cheese Mouse got skits credit card and regrets it. Okay, hold on. Thanks, Will. Let's see if we got what we got. Hold on. This is some cheap. This is some key bullshit. All right, hold on. Was it always this sad? I'll take your word for it. Well, that just describes what happened. It doesn't actually show it, but we'll listen to the description anyway.
A Chuck E. Cheese customer reported a worker to police after seeing he used her stolen credit card on camera. An officer first went into the Chuck E. Cheese to use the bathroom and try to identify the suspect.
Oh, there he is.
What did you say? You said I just need to use the bathroom.
I went in. I was like, I need to take piss. And I just went to open the gate. And he was like looking at me like, hey, he was just looking at me. I was like, I gotta go to the bathroom, dude. And he's like, what's going on? I was like, I have to take piss. He's like, he slowly opened the gate, but the look on his face. And then coming out, he was looking at me like I was trying to grab him. He asked what was going on, and I was like, man, I had to be so bad. Thank you.
Oh, you didn't tell him ever?
No, I didn't tell him what was going on.
You should have told him.
No, why would I tell him?
You don't tell him the truth. You lied to him.
I told him the truth. I had to take a piss.
Oh my god. Alright, I'm going live.
Yeah, for sure. This is going to be epic.
Ask management who's in the mouse seat.
Yeah, I already asked the main manager was here. We don't know his name. Thank you, sir.
This is so stupid.
Yes, we are.
Do it. I want you to. Go around and ask.
All right, back to the earlier video. All right, thank you for that. Thank you for that increased context. That was exciting. Going back to arresting the mouse.
Resist. Do not resist. Don't let your hands go. Let your hands go. I got it. I got live on video. For now, we have 1 detained. Okay, he's the suspect. He stole someone's card here and has been using it. Someone that was one of your employees, like last week or something like that. So, yeah.
I love how the manager's lanyard actually just says manager around it. The manager's coming along like, what's going on? Well, we're arresting your mouse. So there's that.
Yeah, I understand. Yeah, we'll have to get back to you in a second. He's a criminal. What would you like to know?
I would like y'all to walk him out the door instead of traumatizing all these shirts and somebody like Chucky. Would y'all put Mickey Mouse in handcuffs?
Have a good night.
Have a good night. I will.
Yeah, they're called take of notice. They have a verbal on progress. They're Felon, please.
787. You can come around the front. Is your wallet set? Does this come off, man? Does this just come off the top? I don't want to hurt you.
I work here.
There you
I'm
go.
just doing my job.
I understand you work here.
What the fuck is this about?
We're going to talk to you.
in a second.
How does this come off, man? Is it just like a normal?
Can I get that? I gotta take this back. This is my work stuff.
Okay, take care of that.
Yeah, we'll do it. Put him in the car and read him and then go from there.
Man, what is
Search him as best you
going
can.
on, man?
I know he's probably got internal pants, but...
Full service, Very good, Twitch. What is going on?
Just pat him down. Just pat him down for now. Just make sure there's nothing crazy. You have any weapons, knives?
I don't carry weapons.
Okay, perfect.
What is going on?
I'm about to explain that to you, right? You really just get dressed.
I don't know what y'all talking about or what's going on.
Alrighty, sir. I'm up to prove.
The parents are not happy with me, or us, for detaining Chuck E. Cheese.
Too bad. Statements about material matters given by witness will be...
You know, this is definitely a first. I never really thought before this moment about the Miranda rights implications of a mouse/rat. I'm not 100% sure Miranda covered that scenario. Good.
You have the right to talk to a lawyer and have them present with you while you are being questioned. If you cannot afford to hire a lawyer, one will be appointed to represent you before any questioning if you wish. You can decide at any time to exercise those rights and not answer any questions that make me.
Students around the Felon, place the Felon down mapping at 451 Front Road. 451 Front
Yeah, I
Road.
understand, but what is going on? I don't know anything.
Have you previously requested any law enforcement officer to allow you to use
Come on, so that.
Yeah, that's right.
Miranda. Having these rights in mind,
You have the middle one?
You know we don't have to ask these questions. I know it's different with the recruits, but because Jamie said he wanted the recruits to ask questions anyway.
No, I didn't know that. They talked like
reset this and said and push out
Why y'all people harassing me?
on like a Word doc or something like that. Those questions are
having these rights.
What I told you.
You don't need to ask that question. I don't know why the officers asked that question. You don't need to ask them, having these rights in mind, do you want to talk to me? That who put that on the card? You don't need to ask that question. It's not part of the Miranda warning. Whatever.
All of it, I don't know what's going on.
It's a yes or no, sir. Having these rights in mind, do you wish to talk to us now?
and that's why.
Yeah, if he's talking, then that's a yes. All right, so
implicitly,
we are investigating some fraud stuff with the credit card. Have you been using anyone else's credit card anywhere?
No, sir.
Have you been shopping lately with the credit card?
No, sir. On the card, I use my own cash app. That's it.
So you don't use a credit card?
and then of course Chuck E. Cheese has all those tokens. So we could get them for token laundering. Is that a thing? Token counterfeiting, maybe? Runs his own little token empire. He's diluting the value of the token market. He's rigged the skee ball. This is,
Card anywhere?
No, sir.
Okay. You've never obtained a credit card from here, found one lost or whatever else, and used it anywhere else? So there wouldn't be any.
Yeah, that's a good question. That's also a good question. How many tickets do you need for a lawyer? How many tickets do I need for that get out jail free card? This could get really absurd really fast, man. Does the judge take bribes, and if so, does he take it in ticket form?
Of you anywhere shopping with a credit card?
Like at the meat market at 720 Orange Avenue.
I don't know anything.
That's also a good question. If I attempted to bribe an officer with tickets, could I be convicted? Because there's no possible way I could be fucking serious. But then again, there probably are some people that could be fucking serious. I'm sure it's happened at least once. I'm sure someone somewhere has tried to bribe an officer using like some sort of game machine ticket. Because it's just the rule. It's just the rule stupid. Anything that anyone can done has been done at least once. It's the downside of what was it called? Is it Poe's law, basically? Like there's nothing so extreme that it can't be confused for the truth. It's like, yeah, it's like, okay, that was my like joke. I'm gonna go up to the officer and offer him a bribe in ticket form. I can't possibly be convicted because no person could reasonably think I'm really offering the officer a bribe, right? No one could think that's what I'm really doing. But then the other part of my mind went, wait a second, someone probably has done earnestly. So someone could think that I really was trying to bribe the officer in tickets because that's how stupid it is. Yeah. So the joke bribes are not safe, I guess, is what we learned from that discussion.
You don't shop at the meat market? You haven't gone anywhere and used a credit card to shop anywhere in the past week? Okay.
Push him on the location.
Okay.
And the video.
What about? All right. Well, I tell you what.
You don't just show him, but just tell him.
I was going to look at the video for myself. I don't remember the name of the place.
I don't know anything about none of this.
Okay.
As far as I know.
So. Yeah.
Because I cannot afford to use this job. This is all I know.
Have you ever been to a place called 720? 720 in Tallahassee?
720 Orange Avenue, the meat market, Don's meat market, or Harry's meat market. The one that you're on film stealing.
What about Cloud Smoke Shop? You ever been there?
The one you're also on film stealing.
What about the Whataburger? You go to Whataburger and get some food with a credit card? Okay. Neighborhood meat market. You went there multiple times.
I use my own card. Now I don't use other people's stuff for nothing.
Okay. At the meat market, you use your own card?
My own car, that's it.
So you do go to meat market then?
I go there, but I don't use nobody's car but my own.
When's the last time you went there? The meat market?
A few days ago.
A few days ago? Okay. And you used your own card there?
Yes, my own, nobody else's.
Is that the app thing you were talking about? Your
Cash
Apple
App,
Pay
that's
thing?
it, Cash App.
They take Cash App there? Okay. What about the Time Savers too?
Cash App.
Cash App. So you've been there recently?
About 2 weeks ago.
Okay. What about Tony Mark?
Haven't been in recently.
Tony Mark? Okay.
Many of these arrestees should zip it. All of them should have zip it. You know? They always ask the question, do you understand the rights? I just read to you. And then they start answering questions, which means they didn't understand the rights. Every fucking time. Every fucking time. When the officer says, do you understand the rights I just read to you, your answer should be yes, and I invoke my right to remain silent. But they don't say that because they don't understand. Every fucking time, I swear.
Time Savers, yeah. So you go to the places and use your Cash App on your phone to pay for stuff? Never with a card. Okay, so
let me give the manager at least a helmet so I'm not trying to advertise that we have Mickey Mouse or whatever.
Nice reference, Travis, to Beverly Hills Cop. Is there something in this hand, possibly put in the other hand, make you forget about what you had? Yeah. Great scene. Beverly Hills Cop there. And I believe it was $200, which was nothing, by the way. But yeah, good time. Yeah. Good movie. It was Beverly Hills Cop 2, though, with the racetrack. Yeah. Beverly Hills Cop 1, 2, and 3 were all pretty good. The reboot, not so much. But 1, 2, and 3 were good.
And
then, of course, 3 had Wally World, which would be more apropos for tonight's story. So, yeah. With Serge. Yeah. Is he taking the helmet back in? Hilarious.
I got a whole bunch of keys in.
Oh my God. Oh my God. This is just too hilarious over here. We've got a whale Karen. Whale Karen is over here recording the entire thing on her phone. This is fucking hilarious. Look at this woman. This is maximum Karen over here. Look at this woman. She's got like 2 knots in her hair. I don't even know what hairstyle you would call that. It's like ponytails, but without the tails. And she's got this black muumuu dress on and she's recording the whole thing in picture mode, like she's gonna crack the case. Holy shit, dude. Holy shit.
Yeah,
what?
That's
fucking ridiculous. Fucking Ladarius.
Okay.
Nobody call about my own.
Ooh, this officer's old school Maglite. Man, I didn't know anyone really did that anymore. That's some old school That's some old school, man. Cool, man.
About how much stuff you spent in the past few weeks on your Apple card, your Cash App card, or whatever card you had?
Yeah, for the colors of that they are getting gas now. They are refusing to pay their
What were you buying from like the 420, the smoke shops? Just cigarettes or
cigarettes? I just want cigarettes.
Yeah. What about the other shops? What are you buying from there? Okay, so just cigarettes.
If you want to show them the video, you can show them the video.
I mean,
I don't know nothing about all this stuff. I don't use no car but my own car. I don't know nothing about this other shit.
Yeah, just ask them for a still.
No, sir, I don't want no stuff like that.
So that's not you.
I'm not saying she's not allowed to. I'm saying it's fucking hilarious. Muumuu over here, hero to the cause. Yeah.
Hey, look at me. It's going to be in your best interest to tell the truth, okay? Don't pretend like that's not you in the picture, all right? You know it's you. Just start telling us the truth.
I don't want to go to jail today.
I mean, if you're lying to us, you're only going to make things worse on yourself, buddy. Truly. All that's going to go in the report and all the judge going to see all that shit.
I'm not trying to go to jail today.
I understand that, but we got to...
I'm pretty confident you're going to jail today.
I mean, if you want to let us know what's going on, that would help everyone here, including yourself.
What is that noise?
It's the video playing. What's can you hold his head, please? What? Get his name and info.
Can you hold his head, please? Nice. If they book the head into evidence, I swear to God.
Do you have any issue with their alarm system, I guess? Got 9 copy, dispatch 1014. Thank you.
The caller was last night at 15:35 Apex Drive. Sorry, what's your last name? Spell it.
Jones, I just said that.
Okay, spell it for me, please.
Don't pay attention to your man.
Jones. How do you spell it? Okay, Jones.
Damn.
What's your date of birth?
10-83. All I do is this for a living. That's it.
What's a good phone number for you?
850-409-5113.
What's your address?
4360 according to my ID.
4360 what?
/.
He thought that he could hide in the Chuck E. Cheese uniform. And
Does he volunteer for it, or does he usually
He has to be Chuck.
He usually is.
Yeah, I mean, I understand what y'all doing. I just, the suit, I got a lot of kids that they come and see Chuck. They leave the crime. I got
sorry about that.
Yeah, you're gonna need to find a new Chucky, man. Manager, you might have to do some Chucky duty. Sorry about that. Manager, you might actually have to step in and go back to being the entry totem pole person. God, this is too funny.
Have a seat in there. I'm going to check something.
Do those feet slide off? You can slide the feet off if you want.
Take these off.
The manager wants to uniform.
So we'll have to figure that out. Here, give me his info. What's his name? Jermel? J-E-R-M-E-L-L?
Okay, all go before I can take this off.
Hold on a second.
Yeah, just give a second.
J-E-R-M-E-L-L?
Yes, sir.
All right, thanks.
704 units attack for vehicle burglary in progress. 3700 Compass Circle Southeast. Suspect Miller. Stand advised on Southeast.
If Chuck E. Cheese turns out he has warrants out for his arrest or something, I mean, I'm just saying, man.
Suspect black male, 40 years old, wearing a gray shirt, gray shorts, blue socks.
For one, I'll be on 2.
341 to teletype in line for 29P by name Denver.
Suspect still on scene. I will go complete this with him. I'll try to find out. We'll also direct this for Unit 1003. 341, go ahead.
Hey, first name is Jermel. It's Juliet, Echo, Romeo, Mike, Echo, Lima, Lima. Middle initial is J, Juliet. Last name is Jones, Juliet, Oscar, November, Echo, Sierra. Date of birth is 10/10/1983.
If this guy has a warrant out, what's the verdict, dispatch? Is he a good rat or a bad rat?
Police 681. When Marchion Butler, valid ID, only deal was suspended in November of 24. He does have extensive local history for trespass. Nothing outstanding.
Oh.
Hey, what's his middle name?
He actually doesn't have anything outstanding. Oh, I'm actually slightly surprised. Okay, all right. So some minor criminal history, but nothing outstanding. Okay, but he does have a suspended license. That's no surprise.
Get his social.
It should be on the bottom there.
Police 341.
Yeah.
I believe Chuck E. Cheese's middle name is Entertainment, and the audio seems to have stopped for some reason. There's no more audio. There it goes.
The suspect got into Chuck E. Cheese outfit. He was in the Chuck E. Cheese outfit. We detained Chuck E. Cheese. Yeah. So all the kids are crying in there and stuff. Yeah. Not the best.
Wait, he was in like the rat outfit?
He's in the back now. Yeah, we're trying to get it off. That's the manager there. I'm trying to identify him. I can't freaking identify him. So I don't know what's going on here. But...
I got you. I understand.
Hey, sir.
So y'all have anything on?
Yeah. Oh yeah. Felony charges. Yeah, he's used the card at 5 or 6 different locations.
They'll do it.
Multiple times.
They'll do it.
I think it's 2 or more is automatically a felony. He's on video using it. Yes. Teletype, go ahead. Sorry about that.
10-4, Joseph, did you give me, is that male or female?
No, I'm sorry. Baker Mike.
10-4.
Yeah, I'm sorry, what were your other questions?
That's the video.
Okay. Yeah, we have him on video. He has the victim's card, and then he buys something with the card. He's saying he didn't do it, but it's literally on camera footage, so he's pretty much dead to rights, if that makes sense. So, but any questions you have, absolutely, we'll answer anything you got. Do you know his name? Because we can't really find him for some reason.
He says his name is Jermell Jones. Is that correct? Jermell, and then Jones. Is he from Tallahassee?
I can't.
You don't know that?
From Tallahassee. I can't tell you. I don't know all.
My bad.
That's all right. I'm pretty sure that when you print them, you'll figure it out. So I wouldn't worry about it too much. Yeah.
In a scene, I just when
for the moment he can be John Doe. John Doe works for the moment.
when my officer went in earlier, he was really squirmy and like seemed like he was ready to run, kind of thing. So, and then even when we grabbed him, I don't know if you saw, but he was tensing up.
They just told me Chucky.
I'm sorry, man. That was not how I saw this going by any means, but. Yeah, any information you need, case number, whatever, we got you. Okay.
If you can give me just the case number and all that.
Sure, yeah.
And I was just thinking I didn't give you our bag.
Yeah, understand. Yeah, of course, not a problem.
Write it all down.
Yes, sir. I'll bring you a card, or I'll have my other officer bring you a card in 1 second. Yes, sir. Trying to identify him still.
Really?
Yeah, can't find him. Have you ever been arrested?
Don't worry about it. I'm sure his prints are in the system. Don't worry about it. Just take him to a nice police station, scan his prints. I'm sure he'll pop up. I'm very confident. You can figure it out. It's fine.
Yes, sir. Or ever? Have you ever been arrested?
Last time.
And do we have the suit somewhere?
Yeah,
he took it. He has the suit.
Where was that car? This home place I was getting
in Tallahassee?
What were you arrested for? Last time I got arrested was a possession case. I ain't gonna talk about the six.
Yeah, I don't know why. Like, no, David. Do you have an ID or a driver's license at all?
It's supposed to be an ID card, but I don't have it. I have to get it renewed. What's your social?
Well, they blur out the social. I mean, I just take him to a nice police station and fingerprint him. I'm sure he'll pop right up.
I think you think that was a 3. It's probably, hold up.
Book him as a John Doe, whatever, man. You'll figure it out.
341, I'm sorry if you're calling me.
10-4, Jermell Jones, license not valid, suspended in 2016. Does have local issue, nothing outstanding.
10-4, thank you.
There's 3 on Southeast, Long Charles Ferry, 18.
Okay, I got him now. I'm gonna get you that number right now. Do you have a card for me real quick? If you give me 2 cards for me.
Yeah.
All right, so where we at?
So he says he only has 1 physical credit card. It's plain white, just his name on it, and a magnetic strip on the back. That's all he has. If he would have used a card at all of these stores that he's seen himself on camera at, it would have been either his phone, Cash App, or the Cash App, all plain white card with a magnetic strip on the back.
So the card that we see you using in the footage with the circle on it, what card is that?
I didn't get that far.
That's what we see in the footage. So what is that?
One of my cousins may send me with their card to go to the store here and there. That's it.
What does that card look like?
I do not know because it's not with me.
Have you gone to the store with your cousin's card at all the past few weeks?
Keep working on that. I need my note pause. Okay.
Well, that was a fun, exciting arrest of Chuck E. Cheese. I think we're going to finish off the when good people help video. I think we still have some of that left to go. Or no, we finished that off. So I think we'll just call it here because we've been streaming for 2 hours. I just want to have fun, and we've had enough fun for now. So we can just sign off for now. But I had fun. And yeah, we'll talk some more later. But I love you guys, as always. And we'll try to get back to some sort of content in the near future. And yeah, all right. I'll talk to you soon. Bye-bye.